What? What? Oh, what?
What is going on?
Oh my gosh, guys. We're stuck in this room, and it says that there's 2 imposters among us.
Oh, like the game. The game.
Oh yeah, the one we play on Twitch.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sunday Susday. Twitch.tv/Cold Cabana. Yes.
No. It's twitch.tv/eviluno.
No, Cold
/ Nyla Rose Beast, if I ever get it working.
No, the OG Wrestling Leva. I'm the first one here. Thank you.
It's /Alley Wrestling, and I'm getting really good at it. Kind of.
Hey, /Brand Cutler, and you also get Critical Botch with it, guys. Come on.
On the air, Alex. But anyway, hey
Guys,
guys.
I did this first.
Wait.
On screen, this was my gimmick.
On screen.
/ Speak Kip Save.
Okay, well, if this is what it is, then we've got to get some tasks done. Oh no, you and I should go together.
Whoa!
What?
Whoa.
Why are both of you wearing purple? I didn't even get cyan.
Whoa. Wait. Hey, you guys gotta mute yourselves. Mute your mic.
This is purple, this is violet. Exactly. Let's go.
Colt has no idea. I could kill him right now.
Well, if he was the imposter, he would have killed me. So
yeah.
I think Kip's good. Oh.
Damn it. Okay.
Okay, I hate this task, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna. Hey, Brandon, what are you doing?
Nothing.
You
I
look
gotta
a little-
do
you look
this
a little
task
sus
too.
there, Brandon. Oh, you son of a bitch! I knew it. Mother.
I finished my task. Now it's to the other. Oh my god! Oh shit! Okay, report! Allie's dead. So I found Allie by the card reader. She's dead. Stab wounds.
Who do you think it is?
I didn't see anyone around, so I don't
Look.
really know.
I can account for Alex. We were holding hands over there, doing our tasks.
Guys, this is a classic self.
Yeah, I mean, nobody else.
She saw no one else.
Leva does that.
This is definitely your style, Leva.
Leva does that.
I'm voting Leva.
I'm voting Leva.
I'm voting
Leva.
Let's do it.
Leva. Sorry, Leva.
You
Bye.
guys all owe me apologies again.
Not gonna happen. He has no idea that I'm pretending to do my
I
task.
guess I'm gonna go do this task. It's not killing me.
Oh, you want to do the stars too?
Hey! That's my friend! Report! Guys, let's make this short. I saw Kip jump
No,
into
that's a lie.
vent.
That is a complete lie. I saw Uno kill. Wait, who do I kill? I saw him kill.
Who'd he kill?
Sus.
Big mistake!
Sus, Green. You're sus.
Damn it!
Oh, he's admitting it. I vote Kip.
I vote Kip.
No, it's a joke. It's a
Idiot
joke.
Kip.
I'm playing it around.
I'll vote Kip. Yeah, come on.
That's right.
Good idea, Brandon.
Hey. I'm going. Get out of here, space junk!
Murder hobo! Murder hobo! Electrical, my final task. Murder hobo! Oh, come on! Damn it!